Okay, good morning. I see that you have created the course. I'm in your account now, and I looked it over. Everything looks great. It looks like you've done a really thorough job at creating assignments. Let me look at a couple things here. Yeah, let's see. Oops. Okay, so you have everything open at the same day. That's great. So now to create other sections, the best way to do this, even though this says create a section underneath it, you actually want to just copy the section so that you can manipulate them separately if you need to. So what I would do now is you could actually rename this one here as you can go to edit here and you can rename this. Oh, you already have a course number, so a section number. So that's perfect. So to create extra sections, you would go to courses and then you'd go to create a new course, and then you would say copy an existing course, start with the course already in your account, and you go to continue, and then it's going to ask you what course you want to copy. So continue again, and then you just have to, it shows you a copy here, so you just have to manipulate the name and then create the course, and it will copy over everything that you have done in the first course. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, all those will populate here, and then each course will have their own student instruction or student registration link. So again, let me know if you have any questions. I hope that answered it for you.